Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today, we're going to be showing you guys how to take advantage of a small room like mine. So yeah, let's go. So, let's get into the video, but before we do so, make sure you guys leave a like, drop a sub, and also make sure to comment down below any questions, any thoughts, or anything else that you have on this video. Also, if you want to leave a rate on my room, you know, how I did it, because also, if you have a different opinion on how I should arrange my room, definitely let me know, comment down below. But anyways, let's get on in, and let's get into how to take advantage of your small room. Alright, so here we are. You guys got a little bit of a different view, something you don't usually see me in. I actually am holding the camera, unlike usual. It's not just plopped up on my OBS on my computer, so the lighting is not going to be as good as some of my videos are usually, or when I'm just right here, the lighting is amazing. So, you know, we got some more real life lighting, you know, no fake light. Oh wow, that is dark. But look, we can come over here and look what I'm right next to. You probably can guess it is our neon rope light. Absolutely beautiful. But I want to get into the video though, and I don't want to keep waiting on this. So let's go. Basically, you're going to walk into my room right here. Here's my door. You know, I could open it, but I also have a political sign on the outside, and I don't want any, you know, I'm not, but it's not even just that, but, like, there's no point. So, you walk in, here you are. You're walking in, and then, over to my right is, my left, you're going to be seeing my computer gaming setup where I'm streaming, I'm gaming, I'm doing everything. You got my key light because I was just recording, and you got Twitter. I actually just ordered Buffalo Wild Wings too right now. I'm freaking starving, and I just got 2 hour and a half wait, so I'm not happy about that. And then over to my right, you're going to be seeing some organization setup, and this is something that I think is key when you have a smaller room, or really any room. It's going to hold up your towels, but I've put all my towels in my wash recently, so I got nothing on there, but great place for towel holder. Next, you guys are going to be seeing a little prop thing, as you can see. It's actually really beautiful. You got a lot of stuff up here. You got some Funko Pops. You got you got a golf ball, light up gummy bear thing. Don't ask me what that is. You got even a MacBook up there. Well, you know, the box. Obviously the Mac's not in there, but you know, all that basic stuff. And the best thing of all, a David Ortiz autographed ball. Absolute treasure, absolute gem. And then you're going to continue walking. You got a closet. Now you guys might be like, where do I store my clothes? Well, here is my room, and I think it might be a bit obvious that I don't have any wardrobe out here. I store all my clothes inside the closet.
Bloody hell!
In this. And I used to have a wardrobe, actually. I did used to have a wardrobe. And that's something that I actually ended up getting rid of to maybe give me more room in my room. You know, when I started looking to get a PC set up, I really thought about that. And I was like, you know, I think that's going to be something I want to do. I want to get rid of this. I think it was during the pandemic when I ended up putting everything into that closet. And yeah, it's a bit tight, but you know, it has everything, and I don't need it to be super organized, but it's good. You know, there's a lot of shelves, and it's good for my clothes. And then you got the Twitch pillow, my favorite part of my setup, or at least the background of my setup. But so really, to get to the point of like, what am I saving room on? I think a huge one would definitely just be the closet. I mean, the closet I think helps so much more than you might think. Because I had this huge bureau. I had two of them. And I've a while ago got. Sorry, my cat. You are so silly, aren't you? But no, a while ago I got one gone, and then more recently I actually got rid of my other one, and that was a huge waste of space. I mean, it probably covered like where this whole area is, and I'm not even exaggerating about that. So moving my clothes to the closet helped a lot. And then also, you know, like having, you know, boxes, like I don't really keep as many boxes as I used to, only a little bit, so that doesn't make as much clutter in my room. My bed, I have a small twin-size bed, you know, so I don't need a bigger bed. And maybe, I don't know if that applies to you, but probably most of you don't have to have a bigger bed either. Underneath my bed, I do take advantage. I do store some things. Because I go to my dad's every other weekend. I store stuff that I need to bring to my dad's place. I store some things for my stream, some lighting stuff, and just stuff like that. So definitely take advantage of a space under your bed. And also, some hidden compartments I got, like right here. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, you can a little bit. I actually have, that whole thing is shelving, so I can fill this all up with stuff I need. I also usually try to not keep bags in my room. Now, your parents or whatever, they might be a bit more strict on this, but I personally keep my bag outside my room so I have as much space as I need. And as you can kind of see over here, just one light, really minimal. The front door, the thing, and then I got the dumbbells. So overall, I kind of just take advantage of the space. I have a nice rug too. And I don't clutter it up. Also, a huge thing about having a small room, and then you don't want to clutter it up. Don't freaking wait forever to do your laundry. Put that stuff in the wash. You won't regret it. You'll have a nice clean room look. And I guess, yeah, that's like most of it. Kind of hide your cables or cords if you can. That will help it make seem a bit bigger. And desks like help too. And like I said earlier, something that acts as a desk but also has storage underneath helps a lot. And yeah, I think that's kind of the main thing. I also have like carry stuff over here. My cat helps a little bit. And I just like taking advantage of the small room. But that about wraps that part up. So I guess let's see the overview. Alright guys, I hope you guys did really enjoy that YouTube video. And I appreciate you guys all staying to the end if you're still here. Also, make sure to drop a like again, subscribe, and comment down below if you guys have not already. Any question, any opinion, any thoughts on this video, I would love to hear you, and I would love to actually also answer you, alright? Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I hope this also helped show you maybe a few ideas on how to take advantage of having a small room. And I know a little bit also turned out to a room tour, but it wasn't really a room tour because that's coming soon. But I hope you kind of got some ideas on what to do with your small room if you have one. Anyways, have a great day. Thank you guys so much for watching. And yeah, have a good one. Thank you.